Hey boys and girls, now we are going to make our mini booklet. So first thing you want to do is you want to put your booklet like so, okay? Then we want to take it and we're going to fold it in half, like so. Make sure you get into the corners. Okay, so first it should look like this. Then we are going to fold it again in the middle, like so. Okay, again, remember to get into the corners. And then we should have something that looks like this. Then what we want to do, we fold like so, and then we want to turn the pages inside like this. Okay, remember, make sure that they match up to the corners, and then up we go to fold. Remember to give a good press so we get a good fold. Then we go to the other side and we do again, like so. Make sure that we're in the corners, press down, and then push. Get a good fold like this. Then we should have something that looks like this. Okay, now you can see here that we have a scissor line right along the middle. So we want to put like this, okay? And then we want to take our scissors and we want to cut along this line. Like so. So it should look something like this, like a monster. Then we want to fold like this. Okay, can you see? And then fold so that we have the front here like so. And then here we have our mini booklet that we can open. Okay, so you can see you have an opportunity to fill up all the pages and write your own story. So remember to complete this over the holidays, and I look forward to seeing your own stories when we get back. Thanks.